My name is René Assink. I'm osteopath, physiotherapist, and health practitioner from Germany. I'm also more than 30 years now teacher for the Boral and for the Upledger Institute, and I will come to Singapore this year to do a VM5 class, the new VM5 class. And yeah, this video is a little bit to tell you what we're gonna do in this class. And therefore maybe is it good to have a little view back what we did when we see what we did with VM1 to VM5. We treated the body with mobilizations and motorizations, and the part that's missing is that we treat the brain, the organ, the visceral organ in the head. And so it's important to treat the brain. We do it not so extensively as we do in the manual approach of the brain, the 4 classes that we have over there. But we do a very good basic treatment, structural treatment of the brain. And because the reason is we want to connect the brain with all the organs that we treated until now. And on the other hand, we want to connect all the organs with the brain. So we do it on the functional level, we do it on the structural level, and that's what we did a lot. But what we're going to add to do it also connected on an emotional or an energetic level. And therefore we need an extra tool. That's the manual thermal diagnosis that we're going to use. That helps us to have an extra input, an extra evaluation input to find what kind of lesion do we have, because a lot of lesions that we have in the body have a very strong emotional component. And what we're going to do, we're going to learn a new way, but a way to treat these emotional lesions or dysfunctions that we have. And like I said before, it's very important to bring the body to the head or to the brain, and the brain to the body. And I think that's the very important content of this class. So additional with the manual thermal diagnosis and all these beautiful techniques that we have, we're going to have a wonderful class. And I hope to see you in Singapore in October. So bye-bye from Germany, and until then.